Junior Advanced 1 Fin. Again, Junior Advanced Fin. Junior Advanced Fin. Please prepare. Junior Advanced Fin. Dave Natura, Mark Art Sandoka, Bryce Abas, Prince Bunhe, Nash Courier Apols, Emmy James Meradores, Louis Arul, Mark Litaya, Rob J. Copos, Lance Daniel Gibson, James Galvin, Elan Listan Mamugas, Liam J. Turaho, and Bill Isay Alpo.
Ashford Dairocas, Ashford.
Beijing coach of Jillian Politapo, Strikers and Bago Academy, please be here on order table. Coach of Jillian Politapo.
Junior Advanced Visconti of Eagle Warriors, Nash Ariel Raffles of Eagle PJ, Kenny James Miradores of Blood Brothers, Louis Sarol of Kaizen, Mark Licayan of Kaizen, Rob J. Tupos of Fast Academy, Lance Daniel Dixon of Davao del Sur Taekwondo Center, James Galvo of Kaizen, Ellen Tristan Manongas of Eagle Warriors, Lian J. Tomato of Kaizen, and Joel Isaac Alvo of Kalilangan. Please proceed to the back inspection area. Zen Isano of Kaizen, Richard Tupas of Fast Academy, Sky Franciscan of Eagle Warriors, Lance Aldrich Pumalo of BKA, Gina Ben Anthony of Eagle Warriors, Humphrey Lumpay of GTL, Rolando Frias of Rock Lion, Earl G. Pamisa of Blood Brothers, Ivan J. Yawit of Kaizen, and Zachary Chavez of KSM. Proceed to the back inspection area, please. Calling the coach of Molotauro Jillian of Strikers Taekwondo Academy. Strikers Taekwondo Academy coach, please be here at the table, sir. Second call for Junior Advanced 1, male flag. James Andre Libuyo, Anton Daniel Lolo, Raymond Lubino, Cedar Zen Isada, Richard Tupas, Sky Franciscan, Lance Aldrich Pumaloy, Gino Ben Anthony, Humphrey Lumpay, Rolando Frias, Earl Eugene Pamisa, Ivan J. Kiawit, and Zachary Chavez. Proceed to the back inspection area.
Junior Advanced 1 feet